Hey everybody, I'm here to announce Show Homers of Florida annual Young Bird Yearling Show. It's going to be held October 1st, 2022, and the location is the Triple Ranch, and it's going to be, the address is 1000 East Peruvian Pastors Lane, Brooksville, Florida, 3401. Okay? These show homers are really big. They're nice. They look so good. They do fly. Okay, but if you go there, they'll sell it, or also they even give it for free. Okay, here's the information if you guys want to go. Okay, there are all kinds of colors. They're so beautiful, these birds. If you've never seen show homers, they are beautiful birds. Very strong birds. Okay.